So I have a checklist here because I just love getting like prepared before a trip. I hate going into a trip without being prepared, without having a checklist, because I'm always scared that I'm gonna forget something. Right now I just finished like uploading my YouTube video. I have to schedule it. I just need to do some final like touches. I have to schedule some content, like short form content to go on. Wash all the dishes so no dishes left in the sink. Then I'm going to move to packing. Hey guys, just for a little context for this vlog, I wasn't planning on doing this type of vlog. I was planning on jumping right into like the fall prep, but we are going on a little like weekend getaway, but it's like not the whole weekend, but it's kind of like a little getaway with my boyfriend. Is it focusing on me? Okay. And it's gonna be like a road trip and like nature kind of vlog. So yeah, if you're not interested in that, like maybe, you know, watch another vlog of mine. I have tons of travel vlogs. Yeah, I also have other kind of vlogs if you're not into the traveling vlogs, but I'm going to like very quickly do my skincare. Actually, I'm kind of trying to be mindful about it, you know, like very demure. So this is what I'm bringing. So this is my swimsuit, and I'm just going to wear this directly tomorrow morning when we go, and just wear some very like stretchy pants. These are my favorites to be comfortable in. I got them on Cider, I think. Also probably will need 2 pair of shoes. Then I'm bringing, well, I don't like this one, but I'm bringing it anyways just in case, like if we need to stop somewhere to eat, at least we don't stink. And some sunscreen, and then let's pack the rest here. So I'm going to pack everything in this cute little pouch that my friend got me from Thailand, and it's so cute. Look at this. So just bringing some emergency stuff, obviously tissues. This is gonna go in the bag. I'm bringing this because I used to have a lot of asthma, but now it's better, but just in case. Then some spray for like mosquito bites. It's gonna be especially for mosquitoes. I'm bringing some like Gaviscon. I don't know if you guys know this one, but it's for like the stomach lining. I do have some stomach issues sometimes, and I know I sound like I'm over prepared like for some, you know, just random hike. I know from experience that I rather have everything to be sure that if I need something, like at least it's there. Like, I don't know, you never know what happens, so I like to always be prepared. Anyways, totally prime, just, you know, in case. And a few of these, I'm probably bringing a lot, but I hate when I go like near the water or in the water with my glasses or sunglasses. I need to pack my sunglasses, and like they get little droplets of water on them, and then it dries and it's like so dirty. I hate that, so I'm bringing a lot of these. Now I need to pick some like bobby pins or hair ties just in case. Okay, I store them in this thing, which is so cute, like so adorable. It's like a match box, and I have all of my bobby pins inside. So I'm gonna just take like little clips, like 2 little clips and few bobby pins, and then I'll grab some hair ties. So for the sunglasses, I think I'm bringing these. They're really simple. I like that they're quite big, you know. So yeah, I feel like this is the vibe for tomorrow. Very road trip, like this is giving road trip. So yeah, so I'm gonna bring these. Okay, let's just... Also, you guys, I never gave you like updates about the ASMR channel. I most definitely gonna open one because I feel really inspired to do some, like, you know, ASMR. If you are into ASMR, keep an eye on this because I'll be like accepting all of the like requests and stuff, especially in the beginning. Like, actually I really want to like do the videos I have had in mind for a while, and then I'll just pick, like, you know, from the comments. So yeah, I'm going to put the rest. So the bobby pins and the clips go in there. Ooh, I have a little ribbon. Let's leave it here. Some hairpins, oh no, some hair ties, and then we are done. And after this, I'm just going to, you know, do my night routine, and tomorrow I'll see you very bright and early. Elle pue. Oh. Okay guys, so we are on our way to get lunch, and then apparently I'm going to have to jump from like 5 meters plungent or something like that, probably from like the mountain or something. A little bit stressed. Apparently it's fine. Ah bah super. Vite. Encore? Attends. Like, imagine being here, having your afternoon coffee, and this is your view. This is amazing.
bien droit. Le nez, et tu lèves pas tes bras, tu gardes tes bras le long du corps. Et le nez bouché. Prends ton temps, y a pas de souci, t'inquiète. Faut pas réfléchir. Elle est tombée à 15 mètres. Je suis là.
Oui, c'est vrai. Il est immense. So peaceful, oh my god. Wow. So we are finished with the day. I am so tired, as you can see from my face, but I just wanted to do like a very quick haul from like the quartz and crystal shop. So starting with this, I got like a rose quartz bracelet because rose quartz is actually like my favorite. I've been wanting to get this for a while. Just realized I lost a bracelet, so that's nice. Got another like jewelry piece. It's like a cute little ring. This one I think I'm gonna put like here. Yeah, I got a citron one because I've been wanting one like this for a while, and black tourmaline, which is supposed to be good for like protection and stuff. So we're about to go.